How to hide completed task in Beelinguapp. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. If you are using the Beelinguapp app for a while, you might notice that completed tasks can start to pile up. So in that case, you can hide the completed task. First of all, launch open the Beelinguapp application on your device and log into your account. Once you're logged in, go ahead and click on the library button at the bottom of the screen. Now go to the top right and click on filter. You'll be able to see this option where it says hide completed stories. Toggle on the button right next to it in order to enable the hide completed story feature. But remember, the feature is only available for premium subscriber. So if you are not a premium subscriber yet, you will not be able to turn the button on. So make sure to go ahead and get that premium subscription for using the hide completed story feature. Once you've turned on this button, you can click on OK at the top right corner, and from now on, you'll be able to effectively hide the completed task in Beelinguapp. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.